home. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. What is wrong with that dog? Rick, how are you sleeping with all this barking?
What? What happened?
Oh, can't you hear the barking?
I can now.
Come on, Rick. We need to do something about that dog.
Shut up, Ricky, and get out.
No, I can't sleep with all this barking.
Now?
Yes.
Fine. Let's see what we can do.
Thanks. So, what are we gonna do, Rick?
I was thinking maybe we could talk to Mr. Jack, but there's no way I'm entering this house with this dog inside.
Why not?
If you want to go, then be my guest.
Oh, Rick, what do we do then?
Nothing. We'll have to wait till morning.
With this dog barking all night? I don't think so.
What will you do then?
Mr. Jack!
Ricky!
Wake up!
Ricky!
Wake up! Mr. Jack! Oh,
Ricky! You woke him up! We'll be dead now!
it's either me or that dog.
Who's there? What's all that noise?
It's Ricky, Mr. Jack.
I'm coming down. What's the matter?
Nothing?
Your dog, sir. Your dog is the matter.
Oh, you mean the barking?
Exactly. I can't sleep. You have to make it stop.
He just wants to go for a walk before he finally sleeps. But I have work early in the morning. Hey, how about you guys do it? Can you walk the dog for $50?
$50? That's pretty generous!
Genius. Genius. That's pretty genius.
Great! Thank you so much! Just walk him for 10 minutes and come back. He'll sleep before you know it.
You don't have to worry, Mr. Jack. We'll take care of him.
Thanks a lot.
I thought you wanted to sleep.
It's $50, Rick. If you don't need it, you can always go back.
Don't even try. I'm in.
Then shut up and let's get this over with.
But I'm tired.
It's only 10 minutes, Rick. No big... Hey!
Ricky, the dog!
Wait! Come back!
Hey, Rick! Ricky! Get down here!
Oh no, it's Mr. Jack! Get out from under the bed, you coward! We need to go down there and talk to him!
Oh, really? You could go and talk to him, okay?
Fine! Mr. Jack, I'm really sorry.
Oh, Ricky, thank you so much. Here's your $50. Have a good night.
So he did pay after all.
Give it back, you coward!
What? I helped you walk the dog!
You were too scared to go talk to him!